Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Coin Galaxy. My name is John, and in this video today I want to talk about Chainlink. I'm going to do a technical analysis on the price of Chainlink, see when a good time for entry is, when we should sell, and price predictions for 2021. I'm going to compare Chainlink to the US dollar and compare it to Bitcoin just to see exactly where we stand with Chainlink today. If you're also a fan of Chainlink, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment down below with your price prediction for 2021. Chainlink is a really well-performing digital asset. It hit its all-time high of $20 not too long ago. Came down a little bit, retested $15, came down again to what it is today, $11. And I'm going to show in this video why I think it could work its way back up to $15, when it's going to break through to $20, and when it could break through $20 up to $100 and even $1,000. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So Chainlink is pretty strong. It's currently at number 10 in coin market cap. Let's just zoom in on Chainlink. It's down 6.14% at a price of $11.86 per Chainlink. Let's check out the all-time price history of Chainlink. 2018 to 19, it was at a pretty low price, only 50 cents per Chainlink. Oh, those were such cheap days. And this is through a bear market. You know, it wasn't really phased out by the volatility of the market. It just held its support at 40 cents, 30 cents. Didn't do too much, and then coronavirus brought it back down to $1.50. But really, it's been on a steady uptrend in this bull market. It's been outperforming most of the other altcoins. I would say that Chainlink is up there among with BNB and Theta as some of the newer altcoins that are performing very well. The total market cap of Chainlink itself is at $4.7 billion. Holy cow, look at that. And the volume is at $2 billion. Really high volume. That's about almost half the market cap. The total circulating supply at Chainlink is nearly 400 million links, and that is not too many. That's not even half of the total supply. Look at the total supply, 1 billion. We're pretty early in Chainlink. Don't ever feel like you're too late for Chainlink. Don't ever feel like you're gonna miss out. We're not even halfway through. We're not even halfway through the total circulation of Chainlink. There's still 600 million left to be created. Alright, so let's go to it. I've got the chart of Chainlink on the US dollar. There's 4 moving averages I've pulled up here. The 200-week moving average, 50, 10, and 20-week moving averages. Here, the 50, 20, and 10-week moving averages are showing that Chainlink is just slightly below the 10-week moving average. Down here is the 200-week moving average, which I'm going to say is pretty good support for Chainlink. And here's why. Let's just zoom out a little bit. All the way back to September. The 200-week moving average said that Chainlink was 660, and its crash only came down to 760. Didn't even touch the 200-week moving average. And now it's a little closer than that, maybe a $0.50 instead of $1, but still good support. And back all the way here to coronavirus, Chainlink just barely dipped under the 200-week moving average. So yeah, 200-week moving average is looking pretty good as a level of support for Chainlink. Zooming in a little bit more, looking at recent price action for Chainlink, I want to say that Chainlink is, oops, that's not right. Chainlink is pretty cheap, and here's why. It's under the 10, 20, and 50-week moving averages. That is a move that only happens once in a blue moon. It happened back here in December, just a few weeks ago. It also just barely dipped under in here, October. It was under all 3 moving averages back here in September, but you know, it happens once a month. And if you're looking for good entry points, good ways to dollar cost average into Chainlink, this is actually a really good time right here. I don't expect this to hold under all 3 of these averages for long. This is a good entry point. Chainlink has been on a little bit of a downtrend recently. However, that is pretty good news for us, and I'm about to show you why. Let me just add these beautiful lines in here. There's our downtrend since November, and look at this 200-week moving average. I'm just going to pretend that this keeps going up like so. To ensue, the Chainlink price is going to go up, like that until January, and then boom, it's going to go up to $15. It's going to break through here. It's going to retest $15. Will it break through to $20? We don't know yet, but if you look at this, if you look at $11.50 to $15 in the span of like 1, 2, maybe 3 months, that's about a 30-40% gain. It's not too bad, and this is looking pretty promising. So let's just zoom out a little bit and look at the bigger picture of Chainlink since September, just in a few months frame. Let's look at the uptrend it's been having, supported by its 200-week moving average. There was the support level, and then here Here's our resistance level. Here you can look. This is a pretty low price. This is insanely low. That's incredible. So Chainlink's just going to do this and that and that. It's going to retest $15, and again, could go up to $20 maybe in January, February, March of 2021. No one really knows for sure, but it's looking pretty good. All right, now I want to zoom out a little bit and show you guys an even bigger picture for Chainlink for this next bull run that we're in. We're currently in the bull run, and Chainlink just keeps going up with all the other alts and Bitcoin. So zooming all the way out, let's just see what could happen. Let's draw this lower resistance line. Sorry, not resistance, the support for Chainlink. Support at $1.50 all the way up to $4. Strong support, and now here again $9. Pretty soon in January, February, probably going to find new support at $12, and even next summer I think Chainlink can find support at $15 up to $20. And now for the exciting part, let's just look at the potential for growth in Chainlink. Let's just see what that is. Whoa, check that out. Anything could happen with Chainlink. And if you ask me, $100 is a pretty low number for its next all-time high, and it's in this bull market for 2021, maybe 2022. Chainlink could easily go to $1,000, just like Ethereum did in 2017 when Ethereum went from $10 to $1,000. A bunch of people just made 100x their money. You know, if you're holding Chainlink for the long haul, it's going to do pretty well. And again, super good entry point right here for Chainlink. Now is a good time to get in. So yeah, just by looking at this, I feel pretty comfortable saying that Chainlink has some pretty good support here. You know, what is that, $9? That's a really deep candle, but let's just move it up a little bit. $10.60. Support's just going to keep going up. $11, $12. It's a really good low price right now. Don't worry too much about near-term ups and downs. It could go under $10 just a little bit, but $10 is pretty strong support. Really, it's going to retest $15 again, and depending on the strength of Bitcoin and the overall market and all the other altcoins, Chainlink could retest $20 again pretty soon. All right, so let's just say that somebody got into Chainlink today with $1,000. Someone who has $1,000 at, let's say, $11 per Chainlink. That'll net you 90 Chainlinks. And in the near term, like 1 month or 2 months, if Chainlink retests $15 again, how much would that be? 90 Chainlinks times $15. It's going to be a gain of $350. Not too bad. If it goes up again to retest $20, what's that going to be? $20 times 90 Chainlinks. $1,800. That's an 80% gain right there. Pretty good. And looking at the overall big picture, looking at 1 year or 2 years time, if we say 90 Chainlinks, from $1,000 initial investment, where we get to $1,000 per Chainlink, optimistically, 90K. That's a pretty good gain. That's $90,000. All right, now bringing up one of my favorite charts. This is a really good-looking, promising chart. It is Chainlink against Bitcoin. Let's see where it is today. It is at 4 million sats per Chainlink. That is a good level of support. When did that happen before? It was right here, June of 2020. Back in May, back in April of this year, after the coronavirus crash, we've been seeing good support of Chainlink per 4 million sats. That's pretty good. If we look at, it's a slight uptrend of Chainlink against Bitcoin, not too much, but we can't really expect it to get much lower than this. Bitcoin has been performing very well recently. A lot of money been coming into Bitcoin, but alt season is here, and this is the start. This is the beginning of alt season. It is going to hit support here, maybe down a little bit more, but then boom, it's going to go right back up again like this at 1.5 million sats per Chainlink, and you do not want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.